just plucked out a gray hair. I've been getting lots of those recently. Thanks, Dad, for the genetics. Hi, bestie. I'm like genuinely trying to think back to when the last time I straightened / curled my hair was, and I think it was in fall of 2022, which means I haven't seen my hair stretched and styled in like 2 years, which is crazy. But I'll be so honest, it's because I'm lazy. It takes too much effort and too much time for me to curl my hair, so I just don't do it. But also, I went through the era of my life where I was using heat on my hair every single day, and I prefer not to have that level of damage and breakage. So that's why I've like avoided using heat, really. But my hair is like pretty much the same like every day. There's not a whole lot of variation that goes on. And so sometimes I'm like, ugh, I wish I like had the patience to straighten my hair or curl it or whatever. But today I saw a girl with curly hair. It was a little bit less curly than mine is, but like she still had curly hair, doing the heatless curl sock trend, and it didn't not work. I always kind of just thought that heatless curls weren't gonna work on my hair because I'm not starting from like a straightened base, but seeing her video made me want to try it. And I figured if I was curious if this was gonna work, then you might be curious as well. So we're gonna try it out today. If it succeeds, incredible. If it fails, we can laugh together. But if there's a way for me to wake up with a beautiful bouncy blowout, then I'm gonna do it. So let's try it. So something I saw in this video that I haven't seen in other videos of curly girlies doing heatless curls is she started out by brushing her hair first. So I'm gonna do that. I haven't brushed my hair dry in a super long time either. I mostly brush it in the shower with my Tangle teaser. So let's see how big it puffs up. Oh, well, it's already longer just brushing it out. That was way easier to brush than I anticipated. And my hair is so soft. I have the Sacred products to thank for that, like genuinely. If you haven't seen the video of me using Sacred products on my hair, I'll link it up here. Ow, I just scratched my face. Okay, fun. But yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it so that you can check it out, because genuinely, I mean, I love Beyonce, but her products are legit too, you know? It's giving Christmas tree. It's giving Feliz Navidad. I'm gonna start by sectioning the top. I wish I had that video for reference to see exactly what she did, but we're just gonna wing it. Take the front. I'm using fuzzy socks. That seemed like a good idea. These ones are like little tigers and they've got little paw prints. Isn't that cute? Okay. So right off the bat, I can tell there's gonna be some textural differences just because the curls have some bumps at the roots. Ah, you can see where I scratched myself. I'm gonna just tighten it. Maybe I should tie it in the front. Maybe that's the key. Ow, ow, I'm pulling my hair. Ow, 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 ow. Next I'm gonna take, again, guys, I am simply winging it. I wanna take this section. I don't know, it seems like a good idea to give myself some volume, but I'm realizing I don't know which way to roll it. Do I roll it like this? Sure, that feels right to me. Bringing it all the way forward. That doesn't look right. Something that doesn't get talked about enough is the arm strength necessary to do hair. I have not been training these muscles. Again, I don't know if this is correct. Is this gonna be wildly uncomfortable to sleep in? Probably. No, split my hair in half. How do I get it to stay up here? Because I don't want to start down here, because then so much of this doesn't get into it. I'm just like wrapping my hair around the sock and picking up new chunks every time I wrap. I don't know if this is correct, but it seems like a good system to me. Should I have damped my hair before this? Maybe I'll damp it after. I fear for the amount of frizz that may occur, but we'll find out. This is an experiment. Welcome to science class. Fun fact, this is one of my rubber bands from my braces. Just for context, I did get my braces off sophomore year of high school, so I've had these rubber bands for a while. But if you've got braces, don't throw away your rubber bands, because you never know when you can use them for your hair one day. And then I've seen people just flip the sock inside out around the hair. Okay, one is in. Maybe I'll just throw my scrunchie around it too, just for good measure. I mean, it feels like it's in there pretty good. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to sleep, but beauty is pain. But if it looks good, a shit night's sleep might just be worth it. Now I'm just gonna repeat on the other side. Again, grabbing a section, twisting it around the sock, and then picking up more every time I make a rotation around the sock. Sometimes I do just kind of finger comb through it so that there's not a bunch of knots as you continue to build up this piece. I don't know if that has any kind of effect on the final product, but just thought I would mention it. And I also want to mention I'm wrapping my hair around the sock. I'm not twisting the sock into my hair. I'm keeping the sock pretty straight up and down and just letting the hair twist around it. So I just sprayed my hair with a little spray bottle of water in an effort to hopefully make the curls look better. Who knows, guys? Who knows? Hopefully it stays, and hopefully it looks really cute. Just plucked out a gray hair. I've been getting lots of those recently. Thanks, Dad, for the genetics. This is what my hair looks like with all of the socks in it. It's a look. It definitely goes along with that mantra of the uglier you go to sleep, the hotter you wake up. I'm just praying that I wake up looking absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I think if there's going to be an issue, it's going to be with the roots, the roots looking naturally curly and then the rest of my hair having some other kind of manufactured curl to them. But only time will tell. So I'm going to go to bed. And when I wake up in the morning, the very first thing I do will be showing you how this all went. Place your bets now, guys. If you haven't already, go give this video a like. If for any reason, just the fact that I'm probably going to have a really terrible night's sleep tonight, and your love and support would really just mean the world. I'll catch you in the morning. Good morning. It's so bright. We did the Heatless curls sock trend. It took me forever to fall asleep, I'm not gonna lie. When I was sleeping, it was fine. If this works well, I would be willing to do it again, but that's a big if. Ugh. Okay, let's just do it. Ow. Ow. Guys, I really don't know about this. Got fuzzy sock all up in my hair. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, so the thing is I fear this was too tight a curl up top. Okay, what does it look like from the back? What do we think? What do we think from the back, guys? Oh! Oh, yeah. So pretty. I mean, she's very voluminous. You know, since I got nothing to lose, we're gonna brush through her. Gorgeous. I'm like trying to find the silver lining and I'm like, I'm not sure there is one. You know, guys, I don't think I would call this a success. However, I would say that this was an enlightening first attempt. I feel like maybe there's room for improvement here. I definitely would not do these socks the same. The way this is curling is crazy. It's giving like 70s, maybe like 80s, Farrah Fawcett, big blown out vibes. Not in like an enviable way, just like a, that looks kind of familiar. My hair is just, if you've got curly hair, you'll understand, but like when you brush out your curls and it's just like not soft, it feels frizzy. That's the vibe I'm getting as I touch my hair. I think if I had potentially dampened my hair, like brushed it out, dampened it, didn't get it like super wet, but enough where maybe some of the frizz would go down, and then wrapped my hair around the sock, maybe that would make a difference. I also think maybe if I didn't start up so high, if I focused it mostly down here, then the ends would be the primary focus of the curl and I wouldn't get so much volume and texture right here in the middle. Definitely would not do this again. I don't really know how I would go about doing my bangs, but definitely not this way. That's for sure. I also think without the heat, if you're exposed to any elements like rain, humidity, anything like that, my curls would just like come back right away. Like, I don't think that this is a very sustainable method of hairstyling for a curly girly, at least. It's interesting. Stunning, gorgeous, you're so jealous. You literally love it. I don't know, curly girlies, we might be at a loss for this one. I will definitely try again and I'll keep updating you because that's what besties do. But I'm also not afraid to share this feeble attempt. If anything, we've learned a few things not to do. But, you know, if at first you don't succeed, try again. And if you keep on failing, stop. It's too soon after waking up. Like, literally, my brain cannot function right now. And also, I'm just at a loss for words by how stunning I look right now, so there's really just not much else to say. But if anyone has any tips, any tricks on how to make heatless curls work on naturally curly hair, I'm all ears. I want to try again. I want to see if I can make this work. But honestly, I think this wraps it up for today. I feel like we had a little like sleepover slumber party experiment that has gone awry. But that's okay. Who cares? Thanks for hanging out with me while I do this. If you want to get a weekly dose of your Beauty Bestie Sab, then make sure to subscribe because I post new videos every Thursday and I want you to hang out with me. I'm also at Beauty Bestie Sab on all other platforms if you want to hang out with me there. And make sure to hit the bell notification button so that you can be notified every time I post a brand new video. Because you don't want to miss something like this. Let's be so honest. If you missed out on this video, you'd be pissed. You'd be so devastated. So make sure that you never miss a video from me and hit the bell notification button. I literally love you so much.